Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account in SBS app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, make sure you have downloaded the app from your app store or your Play Store, and then you have got the updated one. Then once you open the app, this is how the interface gonna look like. You're gonna go ahead, tap on create account right over here. You have to add your first name, your email address, your password that you would like to set, your gender, your birth year, and then you have to tap on create account. Now what it will do is it will send you a code for the verification purpose of to the email that you have entered. Make sure to enter the correct information. Then you're going to go ahead, go check out your email inbox and copy the code, paste it right over here, and then go ahead and confirm all of the information. Make sure your birth year is correct as well, and then you're going to go ahead, tap on confirm, and there you go. Your account will be created and you can go ahead, log in or sign in on your SBS app on your mobile phone anytime. You're going to go ahead, open it up, and you're going to go ahead, go back from the section, and you're going to tap on the login section, and you're going to add in the email and the password, and you're good to go. That's how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.